Dan Swede here in Nevada doing hands-on training with a client and on our trash bin cleaning trailer package. So you can get a good look right here of real world filthy in the field cans. Garbage truck just left to come pick everything up. So these are just freshly dumped. Give you a good idea there just how bad these really are. This is a typical bacteria filled nightmare. Here's our new Platinum Plus trailer package, 3,500 PSI 9-gallon in a hot water power washer. Are you kidding me? Oh, sorry, we're good. Well, it is hot and sunny out today. So we're about ready to start the demonstration here.
Talk to these people over here, they're going to let I got nothing to do.
We can go ahead and fire it up and go.
So
We can start right now. Yeah, we're able to start it up right away, get everything going. We got enough water to start and go from there.